Thank you for purchasing a MAXIM hard lid. The following instructional video outlines how to correctly and safely install a MAXIM hard lid and accessories. It is very important that all of these steps are followed to ensure correct installation. Please feel free to pause this video at any stage. MAXIM hard lid fitting instructions, standard lid. These are the parts required. These are your tools required. And please ensure you use protective safety wear. Preparing the vehicle. Remove the keys from the hard lid and attach to the customer's keys. Put a blanket in the tray. Take the gas struts and clip the fixed end onto the lid. Remove the 4 plastic screw clips from the front of the tub liner with a small screwdriver or trim tool. Drill factory holes to 9mm. Blow swarf off cab. Paint drilled holes using zinc protector. Prepare all fastenings by applying anti-seize before using. Use a riv nut gun to insert supplied M6 riv nuts. Ensure riv nut head sits hard against the top of the tub. Run a bead of sealant along the top front edge of the tub liner. Align the aluminium infill to your prepared holes. Run another bead of sealant along the top of the aluminium infill. Place the infill hinge plate on top and line up holes again. Using the M6x40 bolts, a spring washer and flat washer, loosely bolt the infill in place. Centralise the infill to the tub, making sure everything is sitting square, then tighten. Seal the gap between the infill hinge plate and side of the tub. Smooth off. Sidearm installation. Remove protective film from side rails. Remove the second plastic screw clip from the cab with a small flathead screwdriver or trim tool. This can be discarded. Sit the side rail in place. Insert an M6x25 bolt with flat washer through the 6mm oblong hole and side of the tub. Hold in place, fastening a flat washer and nylock nut to the rear. This ensures the side rail won't slide on the plastic capping. Fit the clamp bracket in place using an M8x40 bolt, spring washer and flat washer, ensuring the clamp bracket sits hard against the tub. Tighten the M6 locking bolt and the 3 clamp brackets. Repeat on the other side. Lid installation. This is a 2-person job. Hold struts while carrying the lid. Hold lid clear of ute and carry over tub. Carefully rest the front of the lid on the tub and reposition hands. Angle lid so that the male and female hinges come together. Swap hands to take the weight and let go of the strut arms. Pull up quick release retaining sleeve and clip onto ball. Slide quick release retainer sleeve down into the locked position. Ensure tailgate is in the closed position. Get one person to stand and do a visual inspection. Other person slowly brings the lid down. We are checking to see if the lid will close fully. Adjust striker height on both sides downward to ensure a tight seal and lock. Bring lid down to check compression. Once satisfied, tighten the 4 remaining nuts on the strikers. Lid install is finished. Finishing. Wipe down lid top and bottom and ensure ute and tub are tidy. Thank you for watching this MAXIM instructional video. Please feel free to check out our range of accessories on our MAXIM Automotive website.